acceptance message.
Fellow ASEAN engineers, their family and guests, do you believe that today is an extraordinary day?
Yes!
Yes, it is. Because today, we are turning moments into memories of a lifetime. To Engineer Trece Bustamante, Engineer Romulo Agadep, Engineer Frederico Mansala, Engineer Simon Yongchin Chao, Press Jofer Pamarkan, fellow ASEAN engineers, distinguished guests, and family members, good evening. I accept this conferment as an ASEAN engineer title with honor and pride. An acceptance not only with the title, but including the responsibilities within it. Thank you, PICE UAE, led by President Jofer Pamarkan, with Pres M. Papasi, Engineer Marshall, and Engineer Trece for all the sleepless nights, just to mentor us and support us to make this happen. Thank you also for the rest of the BOEs in the PICE UAE for challenging, motivating, and supporting us to reach our ASEAN engineer title. I would not be here without the special people who inspire, challenge, and support me all the way. And I would like to take this opportunity to give honor to my mom and dedicate this milestone. Thank you for all your love, sacrifices, and hardship that allows me to be who I am right now. I may not be the best in the world, but I know I'm the best in your world. Thank you to my husband Yasser, who always is supportive in every challenges through fat and fatness along the way. To my kids, Yasser, Yasmin, and Bjorn, thank you for your life. Your existence inspired me to move forward over and over. To my brother who always assists me all the way, thank you. My grammar and my write-ups improved because of you. To my batchmates who's motivating me all night, thank you for pushing me to reach the results we aim to get from the day we started. To my friends, all absences to ladies' nights paid off. Thank you and happy birthday. And of course, I would like to return the highest honor and praise to my God Jesus, who gave an extension of my time in this world. Without Him, I am nothing. All glory belongs to Him. Congratulations, fellow ASEAN engineers. Mabuhay ang Pilipino ASEAN engineers. Cheers.
Congratulations, Engineer Marites G. Sanchez. We now